So in this video illustration, we are just going to look at the basis of R to refresh our minds on what we did the last time we looked at R. So we went through how to import data sets, which you will be needing for the next activity, which is the data visualization too. Okay, so this is just a refresh of what we did. So if you would remember, we said that R has four main pins. Okay, one here, one at the down here, one here, and one at the top here as well. So the first one here would contain the codes we will be running. Okay, so as you can see, some codes have been listed here that are yet to be run. And whenever we run any code, we are supposed to get the output at the console here at the bottom. Okay, at the bottom here. But then if the output we are supposed to get is supposed to be in a picture form, say a graph or a chart, okay, that one we would have to come to this pin instead. Okay, so for now we know that the output for every analysis we run will either be here at the console side or here at the plot pin, which we will come to that. Okay, then in R, whenever we assign a data set to or a value to a particular variable, we are supposed to see that in the environment tab. The environment tab will tell us that that action we performed uh, was successful. Okay, so for instance, if I import any data set, I am going to see it here. And if I assign that data set to a particular variable name, I'm also supposed to see that here. Okay, so that's for the environment tab. The history tab contains a history of whatever you've used R for some time. Okay, so this is what has been saved as at now. If I click on load more, 212 entries, it will keep going up till it gets to a particular point where it can no more save. Okay, so that's for the history. And then when we come to this tab, this thing has a lot of tabs. Okay, one is the files, the plots, the packages, the help, viewer, and presentation. Okay, most of the time we are going to use the first four. So the files here is the working directory. By working directory, I mean if we are trying to save any data or any chat or any file, which folder on our laptop will it be saved on? That is the working directory. So right now, no working directory has been set as at now. So if I save any file, it's going to go into this folder, which we don't even know the name of. Okay, so in order to set the working directory, you come to session, go to set working directory, then you go to choose directory. It will take you to your laptop's directory, then you choose the particular folder you want the output to be saved in. Okay, so that's that on the working directory. And the plot, as I said, is the pane or the tab that will display any form of chart we are going to generate in R, be it a map or a plot or a graph. We are going to see that under the plots um, tab. Okay. Then for the packages, you see every function we run in R is inbuilt in a particular package. So in R we term a package as um, a collection of functions. Okay, so the reason why we are able to perform probably finding a frequency table or generating a frequency table is because of this name here, which is table. Okay, and table is a function. Okay, we will understand more about functions later, but we know table here is a function that generates either cross-tabulated tables or frequency tables. Okay, and this table is a function, and we are saying that a package is a collection of some of these functions. Okay, so in order to run any analysis, you need a specific package. Okay, and R itself comes with some packages which you would see under the system